Are you tired of the high cost of living in the U.S.? Dreaming of an affordable life in a foreign land where the weather is warm, the people are welcoming, and the lifestyle is stress-free? Well, you're not alone. Thousands of Americans are packing their bags and heading abroad for better opportunities, lower costs, and a change in scenery. Today, we're diving into the 10 easiest places for Americans to move overseas in 2024 and 2025, offering low cost of living, rich culture, and an easy transition. Let's count down the best countries where you can start a new chapter without draining your savings. Number 10. Georgia. Located at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, Georgia is quickly becoming a hotspot for expats. With a cost of living index of 60.1, Georgia offers an affordable lifestyle and a unique blend of European and Asian cultures. The country's capital, Tbilisi, is a vibrant city with ancient history, stunning architecture, and a growing expat community. The cost of living is significantly lower than in most Western countries, with affordable housing, food, and public transport. Beyond the affordability, Georgia is known for its beautiful landscapes. From the towering Caucasus Mountains to the serene Black Sea coast, the country is full of natural beauty. The local people are friendly and hospitable, making it easier for Americans to feel at home. Plus, Georgia offers visa-free access for up to 1 year for U.S. citizens, which makes it an ideal destination for both short-term stays and long-term relocation. What makes Georgia stand out even more is its growing expat community and the economic opportunities available in sectors like IT, tourism, and agriculture. The cost of healthcare is another plus, with medical services being both affordable and of high quality. Whether you're looking to retire or work remotely, Georgia is a welcoming, budget-friendly destination with a laid-back atmosphere. Moreover, Georgia has relatively low taxes, particularly for foreign income, which adds to its attractiveness for retirees and remote workers. The local cuisine, famous for its wines and hearty dishes like khachapuri, cheese-filled bread, is another reason many expats fall in love with the country. So, if you're looking for a place that balances history, culture, and modernity without the high cost of living, Georgia is a country worth considering. Number 9. Albania, another hidden gem in Europe for those looking to move abroad with a low cost of living. With a cost of living index of 40 to $1, Albania offers incredible value compared to many European countries. Whether you're exploring the rugged beaches along the Ionian Sea or the beautiful mountain villages, Albania offers something for everyone. Tirana, the capital, has undergone significant modernization in recent years, with a growing expat community, affordable housing, and a vibrant nightlife scene. The cost of living in Albania is notably low, with rents in major cities like Tirana often as low as $300 per month for a one-bedroom apartment. Groceries, dining out, and utilities are all inexpensive compared to the U.S., which makes it an attractive option for retirees and young professionals alike. Many expats also note the affordable healthcare system, with high-quality care available at a fraction of the price of what you'd pay in the U.S. Despite being a smaller country, Albania is rich in history and culture. The locals are friendly and proud of their heritage, and the country is home to numerous archaeological sites and UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Expats are also drawn to Albania's low crime rates and safe environment, making it an appealing option for families looking for a peaceful place to call home. Albania is also becoming a hub for digital nomads due to its low costs and growing internet infrastructure. Whether you want to live on the coast or in the mountains, the diverse landscapes provide plenty of opportunities to enjoy outdoor activities. It's an underappreciated gem that offers affordability and quality of life, especially for those seeking an escape from the rising costs in Western Europe or the U.S. Number 8. Malta, an island nation in the Mediterranean, offers a cost of living index of 52.8, which is relatively affordable for a European country. Known for its gorgeous coastlines, rich history, and English-speaking population, Malta has become an attractive destination for expats, especially those from English-speaking countries like the U.S. The country combines the charm of old-world Europe with a modern infrastructure, making it an easy transition for newcomers. Living in Malta is not only affordable but also offers a high quality of life. The healthcare system is robust and affordable, and with over 300 days of sunshine per year, the weather alone makes it a desirable location for those escaping the harsh winters in the U.S. Food, transportation, and housing costs are all reasonable, with rental prices starting at around $500 per month for an apartment in the capital, Valletta. The country is also home to a growing community of expats, and the local government offers tax incentives for foreign residents, which is particularly attractive to retirees. With beautiful beaches, a thriving art scene, and rich cultural festivals, Malta provides a mix of relaxation and excitement. Whether you're a retiree or a remote worker, Malta offers both affordability and a vibrant lifestyle, making it a great choice for Americans looking to relocate. Malta's relatively small size means that everything is within reach, from charming villages to bustling cities. Its strategic location between Europe and North Africa gives it a unique cultural diversity that's hard to find in other European destinations. If you're looking for a European destination that offers both great weather and affordability, Malta should definitely be on your radar. Number 7. Vietnam. If you're looking for an affordable lifestyle in a country rich in culture and history, Vietnam is a top contender. With a cost of living index of 38.3, Vietnam offers one of the lowest living costs in Southeast Asia. Whether you're strolling through the vibrant streets of Hanoi or relaxing by the beaches of Da Nang, Vietnam is full of life and culture. The cost of rent in Vietnam is incredibly low, with a one-bedroom apartment in Ho Chi Minh City or Hanoi typically costing between $300 to $500 per month. Vietnam also stands out for its rich cultural heritage and welcoming locals. From its bustling markets to its temples and traditional festivals, there's no shortage of experiences to explore. The country is also famous for its affordable healthcare system, and expats often mention the quality of care they receive for a fraction of what they would pay in the U.S. Moreover, Vietnam is increasingly becoming a hub for digital nomads, with modern co-working spaces and a growing tech industry. The cuisine in Vietnam is another major draw. Whether you love pho, banh mi, or fresh spring rolls, the food is not only delicious but also inexpensive. Dining out is affordable, with meals typically costing just a few dollars. Vietnam's outdoor lifestyle also allows for a lot of exploration, whether you're into hiking, beach activities, or just exploring vibrant cities. For those looking to stretch their budget while experiencing a unique, rich culture, Vietnam is an excellent option. On top of the cost benefits, Vietnam has become a popular destination for remote workers. The low cost of living, combined with reliable internet and a thriving tech scene, makes it an ideal place for digital nomads looking to live affordably while staying connected to their careers. The expat community in cities like Ho Chi Minh City is growing, and the country offers a fantastic mix of modernity and tradition. Number 6. Belize. If you're dreaming of a tropical paradise without breaking the bank, Belize could be your ideal destination. With a cost of living index of 53.9, Belize offers a laid-back lifestyle, surrounded by stunning natural beauty. Located on the Caribbean coast, the country boasts some of the most pristine beaches in the world, making it perfect for anyone who loves outdoor adventures. Whether you're exploring the Maya ruins, snorkeling in the Barrier Reef, or relaxing on the beach, Belize offers an affordable escape from the stresses of everyday life. What makes Belize particularly appealing is that English is the official language, which removes a significant language barrier for many American expats. The cost of housing is low, with rental prices ranging from $300 to $700 per month in most areas. Healthcare in Belize is also affordable, with both public and private healthcare options available. Many expats have noted that the cost of healthcare is lower than in the U.S., while still offering a decent standard of care. Belize also attracts retirees due to its friendly tax system, where foreign income is not taxed, and there are pensioner visa programs for those looking to retire abroad. The expat community is strong and welcoming, and there are plenty of opportunities to socialize and get involved in local life. The country offers a slower pace of life, perfect for those who want to escape the hustle and bustle of city living in the U.S. For anyone who loves a tropical climate, a vibrant natural environment, and the ease of an English-speaking country, Belize is an ideal destination. It's perfect for nature lovers, retirees, and remote workers alike. If you're considering moving abroad for a lower cost of living, Belize's combination of affordability, natural beauty, and relaxed lifestyle make it a standout option. Number 5. Portugal, with its cost of living index of 55.5, is one of the most affordable places to live in Western Europe. The country is known for its mild climate, stunning beaches, and rich cultural heritage. Cities like Lisbon and Porto have become increasingly popular among expats, offering vibrant urban life, historical landmarks, and an emerging tech scene. Housing costs in Portugal are lower than in many other European capitals, with one-bedroom apartments in Lisbon starting at around $800 per month. The quality of life in Portugal is exceptional, with excellent healthcare, a safe environment, and a welcoming local community. Many expats are drawn to Portugal's laid-back atmosphere, which contrasts with the hustle of other European cities. Public transportation is affordable and efficient, making it easy to explore the entire country. Additionally, Portugal has become a hotspot for digital nomads thanks to its growing co-working spaces, robust internet infrastructure, and business-friendly environment. Portugal is also home to some of the most affordable healthcare systems in Europe, which makes it an attractive option for retirees looking to stretch their pensions. The country's retirement visa program allows expats to live in Portugal and benefit from low taxes on foreign income. As a result, many Americans have chosen Portugal as their ideal destination for a peaceful and affordable retirement, surrounded by beautiful landscapes and a rich cultural scene. The cuisine in Portugal is another major draw. Fresh seafood, pastries like pastéis de nata, and wine from regions like Douro Valley add to the charm. With its combination of history, modernity, and affordability, Portugal is undoubtedly a prime choice for anyone looking to relocate abroad. Number 4. Mexico, one of the most popular destinations for Americans looking to live abroad, due to its proximity to the U.S. and affordable cost of living. With a cost of living index of 41.9, Mexico offers a fantastic balance of affordability and convenience. Cities like Mexico City, Guadalajara, and Mérida are renowned for their vibrant cultures, delicious food, and welcoming locals. Rent prices in Mexico are significantly lower than in the U.S., with apartments available for as little as $300 to $500 per month in many regions. Mexico is an ideal place for expats seeking affordable living while staying close to home. The country boasts a wide range of options for every type of expat, from bustling urban centers to quiet beach towns like Playa del Carmen or Puerto Vallarta. With its low-cost healthcare, which is often of high quality, Mexico has attracted many Americans, especially retirees, looking to live comfortably on a budget. The rich cultural experience in Mexico is a huge selling point. From the Day of the Dead to Mayan ruins and colonial architecture, Mexico offers a unique blend of ancient history and modern amenities. Mexico also has a fast-growing expat community, making it easier for newcomers to settle in. Many regions offer English-speaking services, and the widespread use of the language in urban centers ensures that Americans feel at home quickly. Whether you're looking for beachfront living, a quiet mountain retreat, or an urban lifestyle, Mexico provides diverse options for affordable living in an environment rich in culture and natural beauty. The country also offers a simple temporary resident visa program, which makes it even easier for Americans to relocate long-term. Number 3. Ecuador. This is one of the most affordable countries in Latin America, with a cost of living index of 39.2. From its bustling cities like Quito and Guayaquil to the tranquil countryside and Amazon rainforest, Ecuador offers a diverse range of environments that make it an attractive destination for expats. Housing is very affordable, with rental prices starting as low as $300 for a one-bedroom apartment in the capital city, Quito. The country is known for its low cost of healthcare, which is one of the major draws for retirees and those with families. Ecuador's healthcare system is top-notch, with both public and private options available at a fraction of U.S. costs. Many expats mention that Ecuador offers an exceptional quality of life without the financial burden they would face in the U.S. Additionally, Ecuador's diverse landscapes, including the Andes Mountains, Galapagos Islands, and rainforests, make it an ideal place for those who love outdoor adventures. Ecuador has become especially popular for retirees, offering a pensioner visa that provides an easy pathway to residency for those with guaranteed income. The country also boasts a vibrant expat community in cities like Cuenca, where Americans and other foreigners enjoy the friendly, welcoming atmosphere. The weather in many parts of Ecuador is ideal, with year-round, spring-like temperatures at higher elevations and tropical warmth at the coast. The cost of living is incredibly low in Ecuador, making it a great place for those who want to live comfortably without the high prices of Western countries. If you're seeking an affordable destination with excellent healthcare and plenty of cultural and natural attractions, Ecuador is hard to beat. Number 2, Colombia has become a sought-after destination for expats due to its affordable living and rapidly improving infrastructure. With a cost of living index of 41.4, Colombia offers incredible value for money, particularly in cities like Medellín, Bogotá, and Cali. Medellín, once known for its past violence, has transformed into a thriving tech hub, boasting co-working spaces, affordable housing, and a pleasant year-round climate that draws digital nomads and remote workers. Rent prices in Medellín start at around $400 for a one-bedroom apartment. The country offers excellent healthcare, especially in major cities where hospitals and clinics are modern and staffed by qualified professionals. Colombia's low cost of living makes it attractive to both retirees and remote workers. Expats can live comfortably on a fraction of their previous living expenses in the U.S., and there are a variety of housing options to choose from, including modern apartments and colonial-style homes. Colombia is also famous for its warm and friendly locals, making it easy for expats to integrate into local communities. The country offers a vibrant culture, from its colorful festivals to its rich history and breathtaking landscapes, including the Amazon rainforest, Caribbean coast, and Andean mountains. Whether you're exploring the coffee region or enjoying the vibrant life in Cartagena, Colombia has something for everyone. For anyone seeking an affordable lifestyle with access to modern amenities and a strong community of expats, Colombia is a fantastic option. The affordable cost of living, combined with the country's rich culture and improving safety, makes it one of the top destinations for Americans abroad. Number 1, Costa Rica, considered as one of the easiest and most affordable places for Americans to move abroad, with a cost of living index of 58% of the U.S. tax pay. Famous for its lush rainforests, pristine beaches, and biodiversity, Costa Rica has become a favorite destination for expats seeking a laid-back lifestyle in a naturally beautiful setting. Housing is affordable, with rentals starting as low as $500 per month in smaller towns and beach areas. And healthcare is affordable and of high quality, especially compared to U.S. prices. Costa Rica offers an exceptionally high standard of living, with a great emphasis on healthcare, education, and safety. The country is known for its Pura Vida lifestyle, which promotes relaxation, happiness, and environmental sustainability. Costa Rica's retirement visa program has been a huge draw for Americans looking to retire abroad, offering tax incentives for retirees on fixed income. The cost of living is low, and the country has an excellent healthcare system, both public and private. The weather in Costa Rica is ideal for those seeking warmth year-round, with different regions offering a variety of climates. Whether you want the cool mountain air of San Jose or the warm tropical beaches of the Pacific coast. The local people are friendly and welcoming, and the country is known for its low crime rates, making it a safe place to live. Whether you're looking to enjoy an active lifestyle with surfing, hiking, and wildlife watching, or simply want to enjoy the serenity of the natural beauty, Costa Rica offers a unique blend of affordability, natural beauty, and quality of life that makes it the top choice for expats seeking a peaceful life abroad. With these 10 destinations, moving abroad for an affordable lifestyle and low cost of living is not only possible, but exciting. Whether you're looking for cultural immersion, beach living, or outdoor adventures, these countries offer something for everyone. Consider your priorities, from cost of living to lifestyle, and start planning your dream move today.